Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrator privileges so changes apply system-wide. Once done, open Start and Type settings, then navigate to Personalization and Background. You want to locate the current wallpaper entry immediately. This lets you replace or clear it without hunting through folders. Make sure your replacement image is accessible on the desktop or Pictures folder, because Windows will reference that path. Now that settings is open, you're ready for the first actionable change: remove or swap the wallpaper. You now perform the core action: change the background type. From the background drop-down, switch to solid color to immediately remove any image or choose picture and click Browse to point to a new file. Windows replaces the current wallpaper path. If a slideshow is active, toggle it off to stop automatic changes and clear cached images. Once you pick solid color or a new picture, the desktop updates instantly. Make sure the selected image is not on a disconnected drive to avoid reloading issues. Finish by removing any cached images so the old wallpaper cannot reappear. Open File Explorer, paste %app data %Microsoft \Windows\themes and delete undesired files. Once done, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or reboot to ensure changes stick. If the wallpaper returns, check Group Policy or the Registry for enforced desktop settings. Sometimes enterprise policies reset the image. If needed, run gpupdate/force or contact your admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.